And I think we tap, and there's the double tap. Hello everyone, just adjusting the camera angle here. And hello, it is Jack Heslin. It is Thursday afternoon, April. Hello, Devinder, thank you for joining us today. We really appreciate that. It's Thursday, it's April 7th. It is April 7th, a little after 12. Wait, I'm getting a heart. Thank you, we send a heart back. Today is just sort of a tip to bring people up on. And this sort of comes out of something that all of us get guilty about in our particular industries. You know, we get, whether we're accountants, whether we're lawyers, whether we're truck drivers, we get very immersed in what we do. And sometimes we forget that our knowledge is unique to, hello, and you invited a follower. Thank you for inviting. Anyone who joins, please invite followers, and please share these tweets as we're getting good feedback that people find them very helpful. So, and hello, Michelle. Thank you very much for joining us today. We hope you enjoy these few minutes. What this is about is, you know, I read 3D printing newsletters in the morning. I stay up. I'm getting more hearts. Thank you for the hearts. Love you too. And I forget that what I look at as commonplace 3D printing knowledge is still very new to people in a variety of industries. In many cases, I even talk to people who are architects or engineers who I assume have been using 3D printing for 10 or 15 years, but sometimes they're simply not. So today, I thought a question I get a lot that I have to remind myself, not everybody knows, is simply this. People say, well, I'd like to do more with 3D printing, but I'm just not aware. I don't want to spend a lot of money on the printer and then spend a lot of money on CAD software. So programs like SolidWorks or Creo can get into thousands of dollars for licenses. But if you were to go to Google, Google's a search engine, in case none of you ever heard of it, and type in free CAD programs. More hearts, thank you. Sending hearts back. We love you too. Yes, we're trying to make a joke there. If you type in free CAD programs, whether they're to download or web-based, there are a lot of them. Yes, free CAD programs. So some of the ones we tagged on this tweet, Tinkercad, Autodesk 123D, Design, and then there's OpenSCAD, and we tagged another one too. OpenSketch, I believe it was. Now, I'm not saying these are the best. I'm not saying you have to use these over the others. What I'm saying is there are free, very intuitive CAD programs that you can get up and running with really very, very quickly. And let me show you two things here. Now, there's a little home project I was trying to do. I'm kind of still in the middle of it. But I'm going to roll back here so you can see this object here. This was printed on a MakerBot replicator in a PLA, a true orange PLA, okay? This was also printed on the replicator. I'll be doing more on the Airwolfs and some other printers in the coming weeks. That's in true green. Now, I have no mechanical engineering or design background at all, but using Tinkercad, I started to play around with some of the basic shapes. I came up with these fixtures for a little home project that we're trying to do. And even can you repeat the names of the CAD programs? Yes, I can repeat the names of the CAD programs. They were Tinkercad, OpenSCAD, Autodesk 123D, and here's something rude to my audience. Hold on now. The other one was called, this is embarrassing. I should have known. It was OpenSCAD. The Tinkercad we got. But the point is, you can get started very, very inexpensively. And here I am with no mechanical drawing background, no technical ability, and I was able to get these basic components made, and now I'll take them on to the next step in this little family household project I'm trying to do here. So there are many cool. It is cool. You're absolutely right. It's very cool. So the point we just wanted to get out today in today's digest is that we're at the very beginning of being able to use this technology more and more, and there are inexpensive or even free resources to help you get started. So my name's Jack Heslin. I work in the 3D printing industry. Our site, J3DDailyDigest.com, and yes, we do printers, but we also talk to people about what are your printing needs. We're not just about, hey, let's sell a printer. What is it you think you want 3D printed? What environment? What filaments? Maybe you don't need a printer. Maybe you should get some service. Maybe you just need printing services. Maybe you think something scanned. We do scanning, and I also do a fair amount of public speaking. So here's my favorite ask, and then I'm going to give you a tip. My favorite ask is please like this. I'm getting more hearts. I'm sending hearts back. Thank you. Please like these tweets. Please share these tweets, because I guarantee you there are people in your life, your work, your home, who are trying to get something done. They have an idea, but they don't know an inexpensive or free way to get started. Those CAD programs can do it. And that also segues into my tip. There's something in your house you wish worked better. I guarantee it. A door, the oven, I don't know. Well, don't put these things in an oven. That might be a bad example. But think of something you'd like to make and start playing around in some of those free CAD programs. I think you'll be surprised how fast you're up and running and how many problems you can start solving. So, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday. It's a little rainy here in Connecticut today. Hope wherever you are, it's a great day, and we will talk to you tomorrow. I'm Jack Heslin, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.